Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Credit Strong Magnum Honest Review. So, the easiest way to understand Credit Strong Magnum is to forget the idea that it's a normal loan. Now, people often go in thinking they're going to receive big chunks of money upfront, but that's not how it actually works. Now, what Magnum really does is create a large installment account on your credit report, sometimes for amounts like 5,000, 10,000, or even like more, without without handing you that cash to spend. Now, the money is placed into a secure account and you make fixed monthly payments over a long period of time. Now, those payments are then reported to Experian, Equifax, and even TransUnion, which is where the credit building effect actually comes from. Now, one reason Magnum gets attention in credit forums and reviews is the size of account it adds to your credit file. Now, people on Reddit here and even on Trustpilot reviews often mention that having larger installments loan report can make their credit profile look more serious to lenders, especially if they previously only had small accounts or no installment history at all. Over time, consistent on-time payment help with payment history, credit mix, and credit age, which are all things credit scoring models care about. Now, another thing that comes up a lot is that applying doesn't involve a hard credit pull. So that's something many people appreciate here, especially those who are rebuilding credit and don't want to risk lowering their score just to see if they qualify. Now, reviews from people early in their credit journey often say this made Magnum feel less stressful to start compared to traditional loans or credit cards. With that said, real feedback also highlights commitment involvement. So Magnum plans are usually long term, so keep that in mind, often running for several years. And people on Trustpilot and even Reddit point out that this can be a good thing if your goal is long term credit strength. Now, because the account stays open and active for a long time here, but it also means you need to be confident and you can keep making those payments month after month. Now, missing payments can hurt just as much on-time payments help. So, cost is another recurring theme in discussion. So, since this is a credit builder product, you end up paying fees and interest over the life of the account, and the total amount you get back at the time is less than what you paid it. Some reviewers are fine with that and see it as a price of building stronger credit. Now, then again, others feel it's expensive compared to alternatives like secure credit cards or simpler credit builder loans, especially if their credit score improvements were slower than expected. Now, customer service experience are mixed, but worth mentioning here. So, BBB complaints and some Trustpilot reviews talk about frustration with reporting corrections or account questions taking longer than expected to resolve. Now, at the same time, many people report smooth experience with no issues at all. It doesn't appear to be universal, but it does come up enough that people advise reading the terms carefully and staying organized. Now, when you look at the overall sentiment here, Credit Strong Magnum is generally seen as a serious credit building tool, not a quick fix. Now, it tends to make the most sense for someone who wants to add a large long-term installment account to their credit profile and is comfortable committing to steady payments over years. Now, people who go in with that mindset often say it helps strengthen their credit foundation. Now, for those looking for a faster or cheaper way to build credit, now many reviewers suggest comparing it with simpler options before deciding here. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.